What if I told you there's a way you can get 50 grams of protein and kill a sweet tooth at the same time? Check this out. I was eating this protein fruit bar, I like to call it. Whoa, it's slippery. And I thought, you know what? Let me go ahead and just make a video on how to make it, because I want you to enjoy this one. This one is really good. Only takes 3 ingredients. Let me show you what to do. It's very simple. All you have to do is you're gonna add 1 scoop of your favorite whey protein isolate, vanilla flavor, whatever your favorite is, add that one. You're gonna use 1 ratio protein, whatever flavor. This one is coconut. There's also strawberry, key lime. I'm gonna go ahead and use coconut. And you're gonna use 1 scoop of a triple berry blend. That's what I use. 1 cup, I should say. 1 cup. Now the secret is you need to microwave this for about a minute, and then it's gonna turn a little mushy. Okay, so then you're gonna take that. All you're gonna do is you're gonna add all 3 ingredients to this bowl, and then you're gonna put it in a container. This is a glass container with parchment paper in it. Make sure you use parchment paper, because then you're gonna stick it in the freezer for at least an hour. So use the parchment paper. If not, it's gonna be hard to get out. The parchment paper will just peel off the back real easily. So all you gotta do, like I say, you just mix it in here. So I'm gonna use the coconut flavor. Open this up. So you got 1 scoop of your favorite protein isolate. Like I said, use the vanilla flavor. These ratios have 25 grams of protein in them. And the protein that I'm using, the whey protein isolate, also has 25 grams of protein. There you go, you got your 50 grams right there. Now with the fruit, what I like to do is just kind of mash it up a little bit so it turns watery because it's frozen. So just mash it up and just dump it in there. And there it is, okay? So check that out. All you're gonna do is just mix it up. It's almost too easy. But when you're getting a sweet tooth, especially if you're on your weight loss journey and you're like, man, I'm getting a sweet tooth, but I need to stay away from all the unhealthy snacks that aren't supporting your goals, have too much sugars in them. All this has is fruit. So whatever fruit you like to use as well. I like the triple berry blend. This one has raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. I love berries. So whenever I can, I get them fresh. However, it's so easy just to have them in the freezer. I also put them in my yogurt, which I guess I'm doing here as well. And another thing you can do after you freeze it, so we're just gonna stick it in here after you freeze it for about at least an hour. If you freeze it for an hour, you can pretty much use like a spoon to eat it like that. If you freeze it for more than an hour, it's gonna come out kind of a hard block. So, but you can still bite into it, obviously. Look at that, I've been eating this one already. I made this one yesterday, and I got a sweet tooth a little while ago, and I said, you know what, let me get my high protein fruit bar out, take care of that. Then I said, you know what, let me make a video, because hopefully this can help someone else. It's very simple to make. And so see, you see that? Look, it just turns into, you got your fruit in there. So you're getting your fruit, and I'll just dump it in here. So you're getting your fruit, you're getting your protein, of course you're getting your fiber from all the berries. So that's great. And so you can make this in the morning or make it in the evening. There it is right there, all right? This right here is coming in at 340 calories, 27 carbs, most of the carbs coming from the berries, 5 grams of fat, and 50 grams of protein. You cannot beat this as a high protein, I like to call it a fruit bar. You don't have to eat the whole thing. It's gonna be hard not to eat the whole thing. So what I suggest you do is get it out, maybe cut half of it, or maybe cut like 4 pieces so you can eat it throughout the day. But at least you know you can track those, add those macros into whatever your calories are for the day. But this is an easy way to get 50 grams of protein, and it tastes great. I promise you, you're gonna like this one. Whatever flavor yogurt you use, you can also use the non-fat or fat-free yogurt. You can go that route as well. But make sure on the isolate, the whey protein isolate that you're using, to use like a vanilla flavor. So it just helps it out. Now what I also did, because I love honey, okay? So you can drizzle some honey on there. If you like honey, just drizzle a little bit on there. It just tastes so good. So this is such an easy way to stay on track, hit your protein goals, knock out a sweet tooth, and you don't feel guilty for eating it, okay? So you don't have to give up everything. When you go on a weight loss journey, you got to think about it more as a lifestyle, okay? We're gonna change our lifestyle now. So it doesn't mean giving up everything. It means let's just maybe try to remake those things on our own, to put our own ingredients in them so we know exactly what we're eating. So give this one a shot. You are gonna like this one, I promise you. It's like I said, stick it in the microwave, put it in the freezer for an hour, at least an hour, and enjoy. Let me know in the comments what you think. Give me some feedback on it. If you've tried something like this, let me know. Let me know how maybe I can make it better. Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe. Any little tips and tricks I have, I'm just here to try to help you out. But give this one a shot. I promise you, you're gonna like it. See you next time. Let's go.